Hi! Just keeping everybody updated. I got out of surgery last night. I've been sleeping and resting most of today. I'm in the CardioThoracic ICU. They have been very wonderful. I had a central catheter put in. I actually had a swan in my neck, and then you can see the incision. I also have a can you turn that around? Chest tube that flows all the way into my incision here. You see, really quick. So, but I'm doing really well, and have some pain in like the incision area when I cough. I was having a lot of nausea and vomiting from the pain medication, just the Dilaudid and the opiates. But other than that, it's been pretty good. So just kind of tired. And they said that they're going to move me from the CTICU into a regular floor, obviously a cardiac floor. So we shall see you there. Thanks. Bye.